I've been having trouble making up an intro for this video. Nothing seemed to stick. And I didn't want to like cast any shadows on my past intros because this one was bad. So I think I'll just go with a really simple intro. Hi guys, we are going to be doing DIY makeup today.
Thanks Fiverr for sponsoring today's video and for our awesome new animated emotes. Stay tuned to see those later.
We've just found these at the store and we thought, you know, it's like lipstick making, that's kind of like resin adjacent, soap adjacent. You know, you mix things together, you put it in a mold.
There you go.
And eyeshadow, I don't know what it's adjacent to, but you know, we had to have like the full, we want to do full look.
So step one is to preheat the heating plate by turning the switch to on. You know, afterwards, can we use this for like...
We can use it for things.
Coffee?
Coffee, like to keep it warm?
Yeah, like put your mug on here.
No, well it says like this gets very hot, do not touch it with your hand, so pretty sure we don't want to like, I don't know if we want to put a mug on there.
I honestly don't know at all.
It came with a little lipstick.
Silicone mold.
Silicone mold.
Yeah, so it's a 3-part piece. Here's the silicone. Here's a little metal aluminum weight.
Is it just a weight?
I think it's also like to hold the lipstick and mold that. And there you go.
Cute. We have the materials to make a pink, a red, or a nude. Let's do nude mixed with pink. So for pink, it says 3 scoops of pink. For nude, it says 2.5 scoops of nude. How about I do 2 scoops of nude and 1 scoop of pink?
No, all of this is the lipstick base. This is the pigment. The first is how much base. The second is how much pigment.
Okay, is this the scoop for the base?
No, so this is a scoop.
This is not a scoop?
That's a mixer. But you're supposed to scoop this with the mixer
but
into
if
the
it,
thing.
but look at this.
Yeah, but you see this into this. You scoop from here and put it into here.
Oh, I scoop from here, I put it into here?
Yeah, this is a 1 scoop.
So many scoops. Why didn't they just give me a scoop that can fit in here? Ooh, it's kind of like a Vaseline.
And that's what you like putting on your lips anyways, right?
I do actually. It's better than chapstick. Life hack.
That looks appetizing. Looks like
Vaseline!
Vaseline!
What else were you gonna say?
Let's look up the Amazon ratings.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Good, I found it and there's 0 reviews.
Perfect, so excited to put this on my face.
You know, this is a bold experiment, Katelyn. We are contributing to the world's knowledge. Kamui says, so there's no bad reviews. That's good.
Yeah, there's no bad reviews.
This has 0 bad reviews. Wow, that's actually really soupy already. Look at that.
I know.
When did that happen?
Like just now.
I wonder, it doesn't say, but should we like put it in the refrigerator?
No. If you cool it too fast, it might like crack.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we know what to do. I think
it's time. Okay. I'm pouring.
Ooh, wow, look at it bubbling or something like that.
It says it's okay to overfill.
It's okay to overfill, yeah.
I'd rather over than under. Cool,
Yeah.
okay.
Wow.
Fun.
I think that worked out really well. Hello?
You know.
That's cool.
What's the timer we're supposed to set?
That's cool. 20 to 30. Go ahead and set it for 20.
Okay, and we'll check on it.
And we'll check on it.
And while this one cools, we're gonna start the other makeup kit,
Yeah.
which is eyeshadow. Wow, it's a whole little palette.
We're gonna make our very first Evan and Katelyn palette.
Booty gurus now?
We could become booty gurus. So add 2.5 to 3 scoops of pigment, then add eyeshadow base, then add eyeshadow oil, and use the mixing spoon to mix it together. And then you put it into a pan. And look, you guys can see yourself. Aren't you guys beautiful?
You guys are a camera.
You guys are so beautiful.
Wow.
Okay, so yeah, these are some glitters. And here's some.
And then we have glitter oil and eyeshadow oil.
Well, glitter oil is different than eyeshadow oil.
Yeah, why are they different? I don't know. Okay, guys, we got...
I think the purple.
Yeah, purple. I'm down to do purple.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
And then maybe we'll do like a glitter that has similar tones. Like this one has like the pinkish glitter.
Yeah, let's at least do that. And if we just like get into it and want to do more, then we'll see.
Let me get just like a smidge more.
Und smidge. Please.
Smidge. Okay.
Okay.
I feel like I'm about to mix some resin.
I'm gonna do the next part. You think this is a third scoop?
Yeah. They should really give more precise scoopers. Yeah, look at that, guys. This is kind of satisfying. Okay, I think I've mixed this pretty well. And we're not adding the glitter to this one. I think we'll do them separately.
Yeah.
I think that'll give us more control when we're doing the final look.
So what you do is you using the mixing spoon, fill the eyeshadow pan with the material. So scoop it in and then pat it down. Here, let me help you disembark. Then place a pressing ribbon over the material in the eyeshadow pan, and using the pressing tool, press down firmly and hold for 10 seconds. Oh wow, look, it got moist.
It did get moist. It got moist. The moistening ribbon. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty nice, right?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I've never made
There's
makeup
a pneumatic press behind you guys.
I know.
There is a pneumatic press. I feel like we would destroy it though.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put this one as our very first makeup that we've ever made.
Are you not counting the lipstick? Hello?
Our very first eyeshadow we ever made, witnessed here. Well, there's a hole.
Yeah, there's definitely a hole. There's a hole in the lipstick. Because we have to pop this out of a mold, I'm worried about it breaking. Let's let it solidify a bit more.
Yeah.
I think we could do 2 more of these, just to have a nice color variety. Let's do this one.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, let's do it.
Too long already.
It was at that moment we realized Evan's chaos emote wasn't chaotic enough to match his true energy.
Thankfully, today's sponsor, Fiverr, can help.
We've actually wanted to animate our Twitch emotes for a really long time, but neither of us are animators.
Luckily, Fiverr connects you to skilled freelancers offering digital services, and it took us less than 5 minutes to find a talented animator named Royce to animate 5 of our top emotes.
It was really easy to reach out, and he got started right away on the animations.
Hey love, you want to see how the animated emotes turned out?
Yeah? Ah, I love them already.
Isn't that great?
That's me! Best of all, our Twitch chat loved the emotes, and it made us really happy seeing our little creations come to life. A wall of chaos. I love it.
So let us know your favorite new emote and check out Fiverr at fvrr.co/Evan and Katelyn and use code Evan and Katelyn for 10% off.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh,
What happened?
It exploded.
Did you squeeze too hard?
Oh, it wasn't coming out, so I squeezed and it just exploded.
What do we do?
I got at least 1.5.
Okay, well, you know, this one might just be an extra oily one. It's gonna be an eyeshadow cream. Oh my gosh. I went like all the way to the edge of the table. Everything's greasy.
A healthy amount of
Grease. It got all the way to here.
Look!
Oh God, it is not the same consistency.
You know, what if there's a new product that hasn't been brought to the market yet?
Eye cream, extra greasy.
I think let's press one.
Eye grease.
I want to press one. I want to see it.
Eye grease, get your eye grease today.
Yum, yum, eat your eye grease.
Eat it, no.
Get your eye grease today at feelyourbutt.com for $28.69.
Nice.
I'm gonna put some of this
On top.
release, as a release agent.
Like 5 sprinkles. Oh God. Do we try to salvage the rest of this?
Look
some
at that.
addition?
Wow. It looks so nice. In a month, maybe we'll come back and see if
Oil
it's...
doesn't evaporate. This is oil. It's not water. with the powder. How's it feel? Does that feel like something you want on your eye?
You know, if you rub it enough.
Good thing my eye's that big. Should we try to salvage what's left of here with more powder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this, I got it all up.
Still a little creamy, but it's better. Now we have a super creamy peach and a medium creamy copper.
Oh. Wow, that looks nice though.
Like a nice penny.
The first one, I think was a little bit too dry.
Rude.
The second one, too moist. The third one, just right. Look at that.
I'll save my judgment for when we put them on my face. Okay, baby.
Okay, baby.
I'm gonna do it. 1 scoop of glitter. 1 scoop of glitter. Very nice. Seems a little blown out.
Oh my god, Katelyn.
Okay. 3/4 scoop of glitter oil. Oh yeah, this is so weird, y'all. It's like really, extra greasy. Man, word of the day. Extra greasy Vaseline. It's like more liquidy. That looks like about 3/4.
Yeah, I think so. Now, how are you gonna put it in? You can scoop it back out? Yeah, I think so.
God. Ugh. Look, it's just like a blob of glitter.
I wonder what's gonna happen when we compress it. Ooh. Ooh, it's just squeezing out.
Squeezing it out.
It's just squeezing it out. Oh.
And now it's all stuck to the ribbon. This is why, yeah, no, gross.
I mean, that was a complete and utter fail, honestly.
Yes. I'm disappointed in the glitter one. I feel like this is...
I'm disappointed in the glitter one.
Like, we followed the directions exactly, and I feel like it's the consistency of the one we messed up earlier, you know? So, tell them what you've done so far.
I've added the base. I'm gonna add the pigment next. But I was like, I want to have a sparkle success.
Yeah, me too.
Because I think that what we just made was a failure. And then I'm gonna very carefully add 1.5 of the eyeshadow oil. Look at that, that's a
Very
great
nice.
consistency.
That's a great color. I love it. Oh.
Ooh,
Yeah,
look at that.
that's nice.
So we have the better glitter, then we have the 2 hybrids.
Very fun. Like, this is a pretty nice palette, you
Look at
guys.
that. Ignore that one.
Ignore
and
that
that one.
Ignore the greasy boys.
Look at that, yeah.
Satisfying.
It's still a little bit goopy. I honestly think that I might want to put it in the fridge for like just a little bit.
You don't want to try to gently remove it?
Okay, I'll try to gently remove it. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh my God, but it didn't come all the way out.
That's what we want. And then you push here.
And you push it in?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Now you pull out. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is extremely nerve-wracking.
Oh,
It's ripping.
no, this is coming out.
Do you want to put it in the fridge? We could try putting it in the fridge. Is that a bad idea, you guys? So I do have like a little bit of dark and light shadow on here and my eyeliner because I forgot that we were doing a makeup specific stream, but I did not put on mascara. So I haven't fully finished the look. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one, your light one. It feels a little softer and wetter than most of my normal eyeshadows, but like, could be like a cream shadow. Okay. A little bit flaked off into my eyelashes there, but it's not bad. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's nice and metallic-y, but
Very metallic.
Kind of nude. It's a subdued.
Subdued nude.
Subdued nude.
Okay.
That's the name of it.
Subdued nude.
Some dude's nude.
Some dude's nude. Well, this is the one, it was this, and we
Right.
added more powder.
So it's also a greasy.
Oh wow, that's pretty pigmented. Look at that.
Yeah, that was pigmented.
Wow. Surprisingly pigmented. Look at that.
Yeah.
Hello? So I'll start with the purple with the sponge But I might need to like switch to a brush because I'm not confident in my ability to blend it. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed by like the pigmentation of these. You see that?
Yeah, we can totally see it. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah.
Hey, it's not bad. Okay. I mean, that's pretty good for the good eye.
Yeah.
You know?
Let's go for the lumpies. Let's go from the least lumpy to the most lumpy.
I'm gonna start
With the goop.
with the goop. Oh, you guys, it's just liquid. This is the crease color. Oh, it's wet. You know, it's not.
You know, it's from what I can see here,
It's
it doesn't
not
look
that
bad,
bad,
actually.
It's not that bad. I might try it as blush. I'm just gonna do it as some blush. Oh boy. I feel like it's a little bit crazier in person than on camera.
Let me see. Oh yeah. It's stronger in person. You guys, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this. Okay, let's try the glitter.
Okay, glitter time. It's not as liquidy as the one I just did, but it is more like gel. Let's see. I don't hate it.
I think it looks kind of cool.
Right? It's kind of cool.
It's very glamorous.
It is. Look at that. Should I, wow.
Add it to the other.
Just put it on the other one?
Yeah.
Wow. Should I like do my mascara to finish the looks?
Do it, baby. I'm gonna try to like kind of do it. Like remove,
Break the seal a little bit.
break the seal a little bit.
I can see where the silicone's separating.
Oh, now it's coming out again.
Oh no.
Oh,
It's coming out every time. It's just too squishy.
I ruined the tip.
Oh,
you know what?
that's
It's out.
okay. It came
It's
out though.
It's out. Hey.
Wow. Now, I don't really know how to put on lipstick in a nice way, and this tip is disgusting looking. It's very lumpy. So, I'm just gonna dab some on.
Dab, dab, dab.
Seems very pigmented, yet also very wet. Seems very wet. Oh God, you guys, I don't know how to put on lipstick. Oh, I got lumps. I got lumps on me. Do you see the lumps
Yes.
on my left?
Look over here. Look over here.
Oh, I got it. I kind of smudged it under my lip. I overlined a little bit. I mean, looks better on camera than it does in person. It's not bad.
It's a nice subtle lipstick, honestly.
Okay.
You look cute, baby.
Thank you. From far away.
No. For our first
For our first DIY makeup.
First DIY makeup.
It's not bad.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
I have to go like this because I have semi-hooded lids, and so when I'm like this, you can't even see it. Look, you can't even see my work. Okay.
Smize.
Smize.
Looks like you're just squinting.
What's the difference? Smizing is squinting.
I don't know. You know what? I had fun.
I had fun too.
I want to do more makeup content, honestly. It's very like making adjacent. You are messing with like goops and like powders and all sorts of fun stuff.
Yeah.
I think there's like some fun scientific-y aspects to it that I want to do more.
Yeah. I think it was a really fun DIY kit.
Yep.
We made some cool colors.
We did.
They turned out surprisingly good, even the messed up ones. So, I would call that a success.
Success. Hope you enjoyed today's video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, look at my swatches.
Thanks again, Fiverr, for sponsoring us. Go to fvrr.co/Evan and Katelyn and use code Evan and Katelyn for 10% off.